Everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your issue. Issue is that your Microsoft Store is not working in your laptop, maybe in your PC. So how you can fix that? So just follow all the steps, which I'm going to tell that in this video to fix that issue. So in 9 steps, your problem gonna solve. So the first step is that you just have to just restart your PC. After restarting your PC, just check that it's working. If not, then step 2. Step 2 is just check your internet and time settings. So make sure that we have a correct time. Just like that, in my current city, in my current country, I have a time like that, and also that correct time and also correct date. So make sure that we have a correct time and also you have a check the internet connection is good or not. Having your speed of an MB is good or not. So make sure that. So after measuring that, you just go to the settings and just change the time and language and also enable set time automatically. So after checking that, just go to the step 3. Step 3 is reset your Microsoft Store cache, most important. So just have to just press your window plus R and just type that code which will also available. So just type that text and just OK it, which will also available in your description. So just check that. So after that, just press enter. Store will open automatically. If you tried that, if it's working, that's good, but it's not, just step the 4. Follow the step 4. Run Microsoft Store Troubleshooter. So just wait, I'm gonna cross that. So which you will find that troubleshoot. So just have to just run other Windows Store apps. Just like other troubleshooters, run Windows Store apps just like that. Go to troubleshooters and just see view troubleshooting history. Let's go back. Wait, additional troubleshooters. So just have to just go to the search bar and check that you have Windows Store apps. Run troubleshooters and they check that if having the problem in the store or not. So after checking, they're gonna try to fix that. So after that, just close that and follow the step 5 phases. Just have to just sign out and sign in again. So just have to just open your Microsoft Store and just sign out account and again login. After login, just restart your PC and sign in again. So the sixth step is that you just repair or reset Microsoft Store. So just go to settings, go to apps and go to install apps and just going to the Microsoft Store and just going to advanced options and just click repair. So if you don't know what you can do, just go to the simply search a Microsoft. So just wait, I'm gonna say go to the first of all install apps and see that, just scroll it down and find a Microsoft. So I'm gonna find that. Wait, I'm gonna find it, Microsoft Store. I'm gonna search that, it's not showing. So something game is showing right now in my say case. So just wait, I'm gonna search here. Microsoft Store. So it's not showing. So I think it's not good. So just have to just follow the step 7. The step 7 is that you just go to the register Microsoft Store. So just have to just right click start and plus window terminal at admin section. So if you don't know what you have to do, just right click on the window section and just going to the window PowerShell admin and gonna yes that, and here you just have to just paste that code which will also available in your description. Just copy that. So I'm gonna try that it is good. Okay, just copy that and just paste it here. Just enter it. So let's just deploy them some packages and just something work. So after doing, just have to just wait till incomplete. So it's gonna complete again. I'm gonna going to do that again. Just going, that's done. Okay, so just have to just follow the step 8, the fix system files. So just open CMD as an administrator. Just have to just right click again and see that admin cmd. So just click again. I'm gonna close that, and here you just have to just paste that command sfc, just like that. Just copy that, and which will also available in your description. So just have to just simply copy from there and then gonna enter that. You're gonna begin scan system scan. This process will take some time, so just have to just wait, and you're gonna verification something. So I'm gonna go across and just follow the step 9 is window update. So check that you're having the window updating or not. So just make sure that you just update the windows. So if any pending window updates, so just update it. So after that your problem gonna solve, and you check that your Microsoft Store, and just restart your PC in your laptop and just check your Microsoft Store is working or not. So that is the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.